Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 533. As always, before we begin, we show the local time here in Toronto. It is now 12:08 a.m. my friends. That means we are about 8 or 9 minutes after the last team Winnipeg would have sold for one box of Series 2 Hobby. This ended June 21st and it happens to be box number 8 of 12, all from the same case. And the serial number you see there was listed in Arizona. That was the only team that wasn't bid on. I was able to update the listing. And if you watch box break 526, you'll see me opening a fresh case in the video and writing down the box number and showing the serial number to the camera. And the box that we're going to do that ends with 311498, which we'll be sure to show that before we open up the box, has an 8 on it and it will show this serial number. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the video link via eBay messaging. Let's go over the rules really quickly. Let's pick on someone. A lot of good guys here, but let's pick on someone who has one team. Let's use Hockey MC as an example. He has the Colorado Avalanche in this box break. I'm going to open up this box. There's going to be 24 packs. Each pack will contain one hit. That card and only that card is being shipped out. So after 24 packs and 24 hits, and there are any Colorado Avalanche cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Hockey MC3 to a shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Colorado Avalanche cards in this box, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Hockey MC3. There was nothing to mail. I know he paid 65 cents for shipping and handling, but that is a small collection from everyone for the amount of product, packaging, and postage that needs to go with Series 2 Hobby. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's get to it. BB Kids has the Devils and the Blues. Devin has the Bruins, the Sabres, the Flames, the Hurricanes, the Blackhawks, the Stars, the Wild, the Islanders, the Flyers, the Penguins, the Seattle Kraken, and the Vegas Golden Knights. Dono Something has the Capitals. Fire Guy has the Oilers. Hockey MC has the Avalanche. Mosh has the Coyotes. Nutsookman has the Panthers and the Lightning. Piaz 60 has the Leafs. Sergeant B has the Canadiens, the Rangers, and the Senators. Stamkos has the Ducks. Super Pop has the Red Wings, the Kings, the Predators, the Sharks, and the Canucks. Bill has the Jets, and running us out, Wind Exeter has the Columbus Blue Jackets. All right. Let's remember the serial number 311498 as I bring you guys over to the webcam. As you can see, it's got an 8 on it as I pulled it out last week, and I showed that serial number to the camera. 311498, as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Clear as day. Good luck, my friends. This is box 8 of this decent case. And still a lot to give with this being box 8. Boxes 9 through 12 are posted. They go tomorrow night, 9 and 10. And 11 and 12, they really sealed this one. 11 and 12 go Thursday night. I'll pack randomly in the middle. Maybe there's something good coming out of this. There we go, my friends. Let's start with this random on the side here. It contains a upper deck canvas of Tim Stutzla. Crazy to see him just in regular variations now. It was a big hit last year. Let's hope he continues to be the player that he's supposed to be. We have a marquee rookies of Jack Ashen for your Boston Bruins. We have an upper deck canvas of Daniel Nurse and your Edmonton Oilers. Very nice. Our upper deck portrait rookies are always coming upside down. This time it's Lane Pedersen. for your San Jose Sharks. Young Guns for your San Jose Sharks, Jonathan Dahlen. I said for San Jose. Blue Marquee Rookies for your Arizona Coyotes, Karel Valiemka. Very nice. Congratulations, Arizona. A clear cut. I was wondering when these were going to start hitting. A Ryan Strome. Supposed to be 4 per box. 4 per case, rather. Congratulations, Rangers, on a nice clear cut. And one of them is supposed to land on a Young Gun. And we have not seen not even one out of now 8 boxes. So the next 4 have 3 of these. 2 will be regular base, and 1 should be a Young Gun. Unless they gave us 2 in the same box here. But it said that as the contents of a box. A Phil Kessel upside down variant of Francais for your Arizona Coyotes. So between boxes 9, 10, 11, and 12, there'll be 3 more of those. 2 will be regular, and 1 will be a Young Gun. Those are the stated odds anyways. An upper deck canvas of Blake Wheeler. Going to your Winnipeg Jets. A Superstar Honor Roll of Kalen Addison. Looks like all the Upper Deck portraits and all the Superstar Honor Rolls are all rookies now, which is nice. Young Guns, Jacob Bernard Docker for your Ottawa Senators. Marquee Rookies, Niels Lundqvist for your New York Rangers. Young Guns, Jesse Yoland for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations, Montreal. A Superstar Honor Roll for your Philadelphia Flyers, Cam York. Yeah, all rookies. A Marquee Rookies of Jeffrey Vale for your San Jose Sharks. A Marquee Rookies of Jake Neighbors and your St. Louis Blues. Young Guns, Alex Newhook for your Colorado Avalanche. Very nice. He's the guy you're looking for if you bought Colorado. It's going to hit the cursor so we don't time out here. Canvas, Tristan Jerry for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Making a nice butterfly save. A Joe Thornton, Florida Panthers. Regular base card for OPG. Young Guns, Philip Tomasino for your, why is it stuck together? Oh, because there's 2 hits. It's always one pack with 2 hits. So 25 hits going out. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations, Nashville, on this one. And a purple Chicago Blackhawks, Kirby Dach. There's our upside down French variant, this time of Tyson Barrie. Going to your Edmonton Oilers, variant Francais. Three packs to go. And as always, we sign off the break by showing who has the last hit and signing off at the time. A Jasper Weatherby, Upper Deck Portrait Rookies for San Jose. Marquee Rookies, Michael Hauser for your Buffalo Sabres. And our final pack, our final hit, goes to, we end with a Young Gun of Justin Richards and your New York Rangers. So we're going to go back to the big screen. We're going to show who owns the Rangers and sign off at the time. Let's get you back to the main screen. Find the New York Rangers. Sergeant B owns that card, and now we sign off at the time. Just gonna hit refresh. 12:21 a.m. my friends. Thanks for joining the break. Again, boxes 9 and 10 go tomorrow night. Hope to see you then. Thanks.